practice problems for adding decimals on your homework, you'll need to do both the partial sums, and you will also be required to decompose. So to do decomposition, my tens, there are 30, not 3, there are 30 plus 8 plus 5/10. I have 9 ones and 3/10. Combining my tens, my ones, and my tenths. Further combining, I had 47 and 8/10. Showing this using partial sums. Notice the decimals line up, so I'm adding my tens. I have 30, adding my ones, 17, and adding my tenths, 8/10. Notice it goes after the decimal. Tens, ones, and tenths, 47 and 8/10. Using decomposition, 7 plus 7/10. Second number would be 3/10 and 5/100. Notice the position. Adding my ones, my tenths, so we can think of it as 7 and 3 10 dimes make $1, or 10/10 is equivalent to 1. And I still have that remaining 5 cents. Gives me $8.05. Using partial sums, adding my ones, adding my tenths, again, remember that makes a whole, adding my hundreds, 8 and 5/100. Last problem, using decomposition, I have 100 plus 10 plus 4, so that's my hundreds, my tens, my ones, plus my decimal would be 9/10. I have 9 of those, 2 100ths, and no 1,000ths. Second number, I have 50 plus 2 plus 8/10. Combining, I get 100 plus 60 plus 6. Looking at my tenths column, I have 17/10, which is the same as 1.7, or 1 7/10. We want to say it correctly. We want to use that place value, 1 7/10. Notice I didn't have any thousandths, so I can include that 0 or leave it off. Combining, I get 166 plus 1 7/10 plus 2 100ths. So adding the 1 on the whole, I have 167 with 7/10 and 2 100ths. So I really didn't even need that 0. Using partial sums, adding my hundreds, I have 1. Adding my tens, I have 6. So I'm actually going to write this as 160. Adding my ones, I have 6. Adding my tenths, I have 17, which is a whole, and 7/10 more. Adding my hundreds, 167, 7/10, and 2 100ths.